babes, it's your girl Kristen with Luxbook, and today I'm so excited to show you the new Homeowners Book of Records by Luxbook, of course. And so yeah, I'm just gonna start and jump right into it. So this is one of the covers. This is the black version, and I'll show you the pink version real quick. This is what the pink looks like. I don't know how well the pink is picking up on camera. It is a light pink, but it's definitely pink. So let's go back to black so you can see it a little bit better. This is actually black, pink, and gray. So that's the cover, and then you turn the page, and then here's a cute little page, Home Sweet Home. You can put a photo of your home here, your address, some of the specs on your home, and then what I love about this home and what I want to change about this home. And then now we're at the contents page, and for those of you who don't know, this is the heart of the book. So this is where you'll access all of your dividers. There are 15 dividers, so 10 pre-made dividers, and then you get 5 custom dividers. So we have property purchase, and I'll show you what that divider looks like. It looks like this. You can tap here on any page to go back to contents. We have mortgage and taxes, insurance, home warranty, utilities and services, design, projects, landscaping and pool and spa, and then appliances, maintenance, and then these are the custom dividers. And I also did something I haven't done before. I included all of the fonts. I'll show you that real quick. If you click over here, there's a help section, so it shows you navigation, what the contents and the template catalog's about, and I'll explain that in a minute, how to build your book, copying and pasting, customizing the book. And in this section I do have all of the color codes that I use to make the book and the fonts used as well, so you won't have any trouble matching your fonts. Then here's a little thank you page with my information and a couple of, little example pages that I did. Click here to go back to contents. So those are the dividers, and now let's look at templates. And to get to the template catalog, this is the template catalog. It shows you every template in the book, so you can access your templates quickly. You can see exactly what you have, and to get to that, you can tap the little magnifying glass down here at the bottom of any page. So we have mortgage and taxes, so mortgage records, financing information, and then we have tax records and property value changes. So important. And I'm also going to add copies of documents that I have. So all my financing information will go into this book as PDFs. So you can either scan documents and import them as PDFs, or a lot of times, your financing company will just email them to you, and then you can import them into your book. So let's see what else we have. We have insurance. Hold up. Insurance information, here's that template. So we have homeowners insurance, the section, and then mortgage insurance and additional insurance. You will have like space for the company, your agent, the phone number, all the contact information, the original date of your policy, your annual premium, all that information is right here. And then you can also add your policy, copies of your policy in this book as well. So let's go back to the template catalog, and then this is the home warranty section, or the template. So you have, all that information, your agent, who to contact, the website, the deductible, and then service tracker here. So anytime you get service done on your warranty, you can track that, the company, the completed service, and any notes and the date that you got it done. So helpful. And this is a homeowner's dream right here, you guys. So where are we at? So this one, I cannot wait to fill this one out. So utilities and services, your water company, your phone number, your account number, your bill due date, where your main valve is located, the website, the password to that website. You have that for your waste company, electric company, gas company. There's even a spot right here for your electric company for your circuit box location. For the gas company, where's your meter shut off location? All that's located here. Internet, phone, cell phone, cable, home security, pest control, lawn care, pool service, you guys, it's all right here. And if that wasn't enough for you and you have extra things that you need to contact information and things like that, I also have an account and services section where you can do I don't know, for example, I I can't even think of anything right now, but I would have the company, the account number, phone number, website, and password on here. All right, let's look at Homeowners Association. Again, the information for that, your monthly dues right here, the board of directors and all their contact information, and any special assessments that were done. You can track that on this template. You guys, this is jam-packed full of things that homeowners need. Landscape, pool, and spa. So landscaping, the date, the company, the landscape that was completed, and the price. I have a spot for that for landscape, hardscape, and pool and spa. And you can copy and paste these as many times as you need. So if this isn't enough space, just duplicate the page. Easy peasy. Let's see, appliances. So I have, oh, this one too, you guys. I'm horrible at keeping up with the warranty information and all that. I just bought a house, so my washer and dryer, everything's new. So the date purchased, where it was purchased at, the manufacturer, the model number, the warranty. Here's a thing that I thought of that would be so useful, the user manual link. Because we all have tons of user manuals. I don't know about you guys, but I keep mine in a cabinet, and anything like that, any user manual we get, it goes up there. But it's also handy to have the link. Most companies do link their user manuals. So I'll just put the link here, the date and repair, any repairs that you did. So super helpful. Paint tracker, the room, the paint, the portion of the room that you use the paint on, the brand, the color, the finish, the purchase date, swatches. You can go Google your paint, and then you can get a digital swatch and add them right here. Little pictures of the swatches. Super helpful. Let's see, I'm trying to go fast for you guys. There's so much to this book. So home furnishings, the item description, purchase date, price, manufacturer, color. I have multiple design templates. This is one of them. So your room, the style, the size, the budget, color scheme, the to-do list, a sketch section, inspiration photos, and purchases, the item, estimated cost, and actual cost. Okay, here's another one. So this one is basically the same information, but just a different format. So you have all of the room information here, the budget and all that, the to-do list, purchases, your inspiration board here, and then your notes section here. Here's a design inspiration, just a place. I kind of laid it out so it's easy peasy. You just put the photos here. You can crop your photos to square and then layer them here, write little notes, add stickers on the side. When you get this thing full, it looks super cute. I can show you an example just in a second. Oh, nope, that was right. Nope, that ain't the one we're on, this one. So here's another design information thing. So pictures of your inspiration and then notes underneath each picture. Before and after, I think this is really helpful, especially if you do a lot of modifications to your home. So what the room looked like before and after. The room, the start date, the completion date. My favorite thing about this room, the most difficult part was, the best part was, and then things I would still like to accomplish, and notes. I think that was going to be super cute. Let's see, where are we at? Before and after. So I have a wish list. So you can get, like, say you buy a lot off Amazon or whatever website, you can grab a picture of the item that you want, put it here, the item, the purchase from, and the cost. So that way, when you see all of your things together, your home decor items, you can tell that they're gonna match. You know what I'm saying? So this would be, I'd make a wish list for my living room, then I'd make one for my bathroom, and I can see, yeah, all this matches. So it's better to see it all together than just in your cart, you know what I'm saying? So that's gonna be good. Project list overview, we have it by room. So just a quick view of, you know, what projects do you have to work on. Here's the project, the estimated price, actual price, and notes. And like I said, it's by room. So you can do room here, room here, room here, and room here. Where are we at? Oh, and a project planner. So you have the room, style, size, and budget, notes, the materials and the cost of those materials, and a large to-do list, because I like to break big tasks down into lots of little tasks. So I need a big to-do section. Now we're in a home maintenance tracker. So me and my husband was just talking about this. What we need to fill this out and figure out what we need to do on our house as far as changing filters, changing light bulbs, smoke detectors, making sure our fire extinguishers are up to date, cleaning the filter in the fridge, those things that you don't do very often but you don't need to forget. So it's done by January, February, March, and you can put the date right here when it was completed or the date you needed to do it, whichever one you want. And then I think I put another one. Yep, and I did another one, but this one's actually a seasonal, so spring, summer, fall, and winter. And we're almost done. So here's a household inventory list. You can use it for whatever you think you need. So the household item, purchase date, price, and notes. And then some basic templates that I have in here. This is a list, so you can make your own list, your type list. I have a notes page, a grid page, which will be great for mapping things out, and then a blank page. All right, so now that I showed you guys, the templates that come with the book, let me show you how this book works. So you have your dividers, right? So let's say I'm in utilities and services, right? This is that divider. And right now there's only one page behind utilities in the utilities and services section, and it goes straight into the next divider, which is design. So right now, this is the only page, this one. And this is just a page letting you know what type of documents you can add, like receipts and service contracts, and you can just delete this page whenever you're ready. It even says it right here. So this is the only, excuse me, this is the only page that's in it, and say we want another page. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit the magnifying glass, and it's gonna bring up the template catalog. Now I can choose the template I want, and let's say we want the utilities and services template, why not? And I click that, I'm gonna hit the three dots, I'm gonna copy the page, perfect, copied. Let's go back to the divider, utilities and services. Here it is. Hit add page, this little icon right here, and paste page. And now it's there. So I got utilities and services, and here are all my utilities and services contacts. Super simple, super handy, and I don't know, it's just that easy to build it. So you, just like a paper binder, you build behind the dividers, if that makes sense. So you can copy and paste all the templates you need from the template section. And you can even add your own templates in if you need more templates. Say you're on Etsy and you find some templates like, oh, that'd be great in my homeowners book. So you could just grab those templates. As long as they're 8.5 by 11, they're gonna blend seamlessly with any Lux book plan. The pink one, just show you how the design differs. Everything is the exact same except the colors. And then this is what the dividers look like. All of them look like this. So here's one of the custom dividers. And then, oh, not that one. Here's the template catalog, and then all the templates are the same except anything that was gray in the black book is pink, light pink in this book. So that's the aesthetic for this book, and I hope you guys love it so much. I know I can't wait to fill this out and get everything organized. If something ever goes wrong with my home, I have a place where I know all the information for my home. I wish the homeowners before me did this, and they could have just handed me this book full of everything that's ever happened in this home, and that would just be amazing. So for people who love to stay organized and you're a homeowner, I think this is going to be so good for you. Thank you so much for watching, and happy planning.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much.